Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply for a white card in Australia. So all you have to do is head over to service.nsw.gov.au, and in the search bar, just search for white card, then press enter. And from the search list, just click on apply for a general construction induction card. Just click on this. And if we scroll down, you should be able to see here what you're going to need to apply for a card. So you're going to need a proof of your identity, a construction induction training course with a registered training organization, and of course, your payment. So here are the lists of proof of identity that you're going to need to provide. So you're going to need 100 points of identification, and here are the things that can help you get that points. First is your Australian birth certificate, Australian driver's license, Medicare card, ATM card, and utilities bill. And to start to apply, just click on the Find an RTO button. Just click on this button. From here, you're just going to need to search for trainers and providers. Say, for example, we're going to search for John, then press enter. So from here, you can see a list of trainers that will help you complete your RTO training. And once you're done with the training, they're also the ones that will give you the white card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!